Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to make DuckDuckGo the default search engine on Google Chrome browser. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Settings. Now here click on System Preference option, scroll down and look for Search and Assistance section. Here click on Search option. Now here you can see currently, Google is the default search engine in my Google Chrome browser settings. To change the default search engine for Chromebook, simply click on this option. It will open the search engine settings page. Here click on Change. Now from the list of different search engine, select DuckDuckGo. Then click on Set as Default. Now whatever you will search using the Google Chrome browser, it will be searched through the selected search engine. As you can see here, we have selected DuckDuckGo as the default search engine on our Chromebook. That's why we are getting result from DuckDuckGo. So that's it. This is how you can change the default search engine on Google Chrome browser. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.